How long have you had it?
Bought it new in 21.
Wow.
Never going to get rid of it.
Never going to get rid of it?
Until I can't drive it.
I don't blame you.
Then it's up to the granddaughter, maybe the grandson.
Is it mostly stock or have you?
Hardly anything stock anymore. I mean,
I'm looking under the hood, I can see a bunch of...
The Supercharger is added, of course. A lot of cosmetic stuff.
Yeah.
Solid drive shaft.
Okay.
Ford Performance half axles in the back.
Wow.
Borla switch fire exhaust.
What do you think it's making?
Dynoed at 658.
Okay. That'll get up and move, won't it?
Yeah, it was dynoed before the drivetrain was done.
Okay.
And I still have to do the clutch. And once
that's the weak spot?
Yeah, that's the current weak spot. And once I get the clutch done, then I can think about getting a little bit more aggressive with it.
Cool.
But yeah, the clutch is the stock clutch, and that won't handle that horsepower.
No.
So I can burn out the clutch, or
you save some money up and buy the new clutch, right?
buy the new clutch. But yeah, piece at a time.
Are you going to go for a fixed clutch, or are you going to go with the springs?
I'm not sure.
Like a floating clutch, because
probably a fixed.
Yeah, fixed tends to hold more power. Yeah.
The dual disc.
Okay. Yeah.
It's either going to be. I don't think McLeod makes one, but I think there's a Maniac 9000 or something like that. That seems to be the one that's going to be.
That's the one that's got your eye
on. I'm dressing it up now, like
Well, you got it,
Like Fat House, I did the Fat House caps. Fat House made a coolant tank. I got a Fat House cover. Those are all just dress up parts.
They are, but they add to the.
And I'm slowly replacing all the bolts with red as I can find them and get to them.
I did see that. I was like, that's a nice touch.
But yeah, that's a process, because you got to take one bowl out and measure it for, okay, this is what I need.
And then you got to look for it.
You got to go on the web and find it, And,
yeah, but that's part of the hunt, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the part that makes it fun.
Like that last silver bolt back there.
Yeah.
I have to take that cover off and the strut tower brace off to get to it, because I can't get to it.
But it's worth it.
But it's the plan is there.
Yes.
Like these, I got the bolts, but I'm waiting for the washers to come in. Once the washers come in, I can swap them out.
Oh, next time I see you, I'll look for the updates.
These are on order. Those 6.
And you got aftermarket pulleys on it as well?
No, that's a Whipple pulley.
Okay.
But that's a 3.875.
Okay.
I probably want to go down to a 3.5. But again, no point in doing that until you get the clutch done.
No.
It's all a progression.
Yes, it's very easy to just keep escalating the money that goes into these, isn't it?
Yeah, and then that gets you into the next bracket.
Yeah, exactly.
Now you got to do a fuel system.
Exactly. Upgrade the fuel lines because they keep collapsing.
Well, not that, it's just you need more fuel.
Yeah.
So you got to do a triple or double pump in the tank, but then you got to do injectors to handle it, and it just,
Spirals.
It never ends.
It's a good spiral, but it never ends.